Hello everyone, welcome back to the Remo Chamo YouTube channel. My name is Chamodi and in this video I am going to tell you how to pass the PLAB Part 1 exam. The first part of the video consists of the PLAB 1 study material. I am giving you most updated study material as of July 2022, and the second part is a general guide on how to use this material to pass your exam. Okay, I'm not an expert on PLAB exams, but because I have done the exam myself successfully, and also I have been in touch with people who are doing the exam and who have passed the exam in very recent past. I think the second part of the video will be a good guide to you all in terms of passing PLAB 1 exam. First of all, I will give you an overview of the exam. PLAB 1 is the first part of the Professional and Linguistic Assessment Board test, which is done in the process of obtaining GMC registration for the doctors outside the UK. And the exam paper is a computer-based one. You will get an answer sheet to mark your answers. There will be 180 questions. Each question is based on small practical case scenario. You need to choose the single best answer from the given options. You will have 180 minutes to answer these 180 questions. There will be no negative marks, but you will score 1 mark for each correct answer. So average passing score has been 118, but this can vary from exam to exam. But you can generally expect a passing score around this 118 mark. An important point to remember is that the questions are based on current UK best practice and targeted FY2, that's Foundation Year 2 level doctors. So the management part can be slightly different to what you've been practicing in your home country. Okay, what is the scope of the exam? It basically assesses your knowledge on the common illnesses and FY2 level doctor managers in ward setup, in emergency department, and also it assesses your knowledge on long-term conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, which are seen in primary care basically, but again at FY2 level. PLAB Blueprint covers all the conditions you will be assessed in this exam, and it is prepared using the UK Foundation Year curriculum. If you need to know the other details about this exam, such as eligibility criteria, how and when to book the exam, etc., please watch this video. I will put the card here. Okay, now the most important part. What are the study material you have to get ready for this exam? Number 1, you need to have an updated MCQ bank which covers a good scope of topics. And you also need some sort of study materials to refer to, and then you need a good set of mock exams which usually comes together with your MCQ bank. Okay, what are the available MCQ banks? I will give you the most important ones only here. Number 1 is PLABable, number 2 is Med Revision, number 3 is Dr. Khalid 1700 or Sush Unity MCQs. And I will, later on in the video, I will tell you how to use these MCQ banks. Okay, what are the available reference material? You got PLAB keys. These are concise material but not organized in a friendly manner, I would say. You got PLABable gems. This is concise and well organized. You got PLAB verse. This is a very similar material to PLABable gems. Again, concise, well organized system wise. You've got Med Revision. This is quite detailed revision material and can be very useful. Okay, let's see which of the above material to use and how to use them effectively. If you are a doctor with fairly good overall clinical knowledge, i.e. just completed your internship or maybe working in a general medical ward setup, you need approximately 3 months of preparation time for this exam, and material wise you can use PLABable question bank alongside PLABable gems or PLAB keys. And this is sufficient to pass the exam according to my opinion. However, if you have had long breaks, long career breaks, or if you've been working in maybe subspecialty like ENT, eye for a long time, you might need to keep at least 4 to 5 months of preparation time, and you will need a detailed revision material like Med Revision alongside Med Revision MCQs. Med Revision MCQs are a little bit higher in difficulty level than PLABable MCQs. Okay, I will put down all the links for the study materials I have mentioned above. Before subscribing, you can use their samples and get an idea and then subscribe. I strongly suggest choosing one MCQ bank and one study material and then stick to this till the exam. However, this video is only a guide and solely made to give you information. So you are the best person to decide for yourself. Go through all this material and pick one for you. Okay, finally few bonus tips from me. Number one, try to do your MCQs system wise alongside the revision material once you have finished all the systems, and then start doing mock exams. Number two, do a lot of mock exams in real exam conditions. Go to your room and lock the door, or go to a nearby library or a coffee shop and do the mock exams with the timing on. Number three, practice your last few mock exams, marking the answers in a sample answer sheet. You need to do this because you will have only less than a minute for one exam. Some questions are way too long. So practicing like this give you a good guide to the real exam condition. Okay, next tip is that in the real exam, you need to mark your answers in the answer sheet on the go. When you do one question, answer the answer in the answer sheet and then move on. Do not wait to come back and fill the answer sheet. You will not have time for this. You will not have time for even the flagged questions to come back and review. Okay, number five, if you are struggling with a question, maybe to find the answer, maybe you don't know the answer, maybe the question is too long for you to understand, just mark something, don't leave the question blank. Just mark an answer and flag the question and move on. If you get time, just come back to that question and try to correct it. But if you don't have time, just leave it. Sometimes it can get so intimidating and you can easily eat up a lot of time unnecessarily for this kind of questions. Remember, you need only 118 correct answers from 180 questions. Aim for 100% answers, but just be ready to leave the questions behind. Having said that, my last advice is take this exam very seriously. The competition is extremely high nowadays. Do not take a chance. Finally, we all doctors have faced many exams, and we have been through a lot of stresses. This is just another exam, and definitely you can do it if you prepare very well in advance. Okay guys, I have come to the end of this video. Finally, I want to say you that believe in yourself. You can definitely do this exam. This is just another exam. If you have learned anything new from this video, please leave a comment below for me to know. And also, if you have any more exam tips, just share in the comment section so that we all can learn it as well. Okay, I will see you again with another valuable video. Bye.